Welcome back. We are here ready to start the recipe for chicken Manchurian gravy. Remember, we left you in the last video where we showed you how to prepare the chicken Manchurian fritters. And here they are. This is how they look. They're so yummy. So now we are over to my mom and my son and my daughter who are going to tell you the recipe how to make the gravy for chicken Manchurian.
Okay. So first
on the gas.
You put a bowl on the gas with
Some oil.
And you heat it up to 2 degrees.
And
Then you put the spring onion. This is capsicum, beans, carrots, and chili. Okay. You put the capsicum in, all this stuff. It's gonna taste yummy, you know. Okay. Next, you put the ginger garlic sauce.
Can you hear the sizzle? Listen to the sizzle. Yum, yum, yum.
Ginger garlic. That is ginger garlic. You see, chili sauce. That's chili sauce. You can see it looks so yummy. Yum yum. That is the soy sauce. Again, the soy sauce. And then you have the salt. You put that in. Then you mix it thoroughly. Again, just like how I said thoroughly in the other video. Pour some water in. Yum, right? Gravy.
And then 1 tablespoon corn flour.
And now this is the liquid mixture of corn flour paste. Corn flour powder which you get.
Okay. So now you still mix it for a little. A few minutes you just mix it. Yeah, like that. So you can see it looks all whitish. That's the gravy part. The good thing about it. To get all the color should be just like that. If it isn't, you may have forgotten something in your chicken Manchurian curry. But if it looks like this, you have got the right stuff in it. Okay. Now